Find area of the region with two curve equation. Now you can see that there's two curve equation and you are required to find the shaded. So first, let me use another color of pen. So let's say I'm finding this curve equation, the area of this curve under A and B. So it will be on all these sides. And if I am to calculate the area of curve for fx under the curve, it will give me this side. So if I use red color minus the blue color, red color minus the blue color, it will then give me the shaded green color here. So the equation formula for this will be integrate of gx, first you find the red color, minus integrate of fx. Then you will have the area of the shaded. Same goes to this, but this one is use y coordinate, so area of, this is A to B and A to B. Same goes to this, A to B with fy dy minus A to B with gy dy, and you will get the shaded region of this area. For this case, it is different because when you are integrate y equal to fx, you are finding the area of under this curve. And if you find the area of gx under the curve, you will get this. So to find this area, you are required to add them up. So the red color plus the blue color will give you total shaded. So in this case, the formula will be from A to B with fx dx plus B to C with gx dx. And same goes to this, A to B fy dy plus B to C gy dy, and you will get the shaded region. So for example, I'm required to find this answer where I have a curve of y equal to x squared minus 3x plus 7 and a straight line y equal to x plus 7 at point P and point Q. They are intersect at these 2 points. So when it's intersect, it means you have two simultaneous equations. So y equal to x squared minus 3x plus 7 will be your 1, and y equal to x plus 7 will be your 2. So in this case, x squared minus 3x plus 7 equal to x minus x plus 7. Bring all to one side will give you x squared minus 4x equal to 0. X, if you simplify this by factorization, you will get x equal to 0, x equal to 4. So P is x equal to 0, but you have no idea what is y. So you are required to find the y by substitute the 0 into the equation of 2. So you have 7. So this is 7. And at Q, it will be x equal to 4. And you are required to find y, which is 4 plus 7, and give you 11. So this is the coordinate of P and Q. So in this case, you are required to calculate the area of shaded here. So first, you are required to calculate the area of the whole thing here, which is under this straight line curve. So first, from 0 to 4, apply the straight line curve, x plus 7 dx, and then minus the area under this curve. Then you will get the shaded, which is 0 to 4 with x squared minus 3x plus 7 here. So first, solve everything on this side. So you will have x squared over 2 plus 7x, apply 0 to 4, and same goes to this, x cubed over 3 minus 3x squared over 2 plus 7x, and apply 0 to 4. And everything when you see that x squared and you apply 0, you will get 0, the whole equation. So first, apply the 4 first, you will get 16 over 2 plus 7 times 4 minus 0 for the first part minus, and the second part will be 4 cubed over 3 minus 3 4 squared over 2 plus 7 times 4 bracket minus 0 bracket the whole thing, and by using calculator we will get the first part, which is 36, minus the second part, which is 35 1 over 3, and by using calculator 36 minus 25 1 over 3, this will give me 40 over 3. And this will give me the answer of tan 2 over 3. This is also another question where you learn that you need to find the area of the region with two curve equations. So let's separate this into two parts. So first, we are required to find the first part, where it is the area under the curve 1 over 2x squared plus 2 from 0 to 2, and the another part, which is 2, 2, which is this. You need to find the x-intercept of this straight line. So x-intercept means y equal to 0. So y equal to 0, negative x plus 6, x will then equal to 6. So you know that it is until to 6. So 2 to 6 with straight line equation under the curve, under the straight line equation, the area. So now let's solve this. So integrate this with x cubed over 2 times 3 on the bottom denominator by applying 0 to 2. And same goes to the second part, negative x squared over 2 plus 6x from 2 to 6. And the first part, this part will give you 2 cubed over 6 plus 4 and minus 0. And the second part will give you negative 36 over 2 plus 36 minus the second part, which is negative 2 squared over 2 plus 12. So in this case, the first part will give me 16 over 3, and the second part will give me 8 by using calculator. And at the end of the result, this will give me 40 over 3 units squared.